A very good morning to one and all. I'm Shonil, fellow of class 11B.
My name is Alka Mamgain and I'm from grade 11.
My name is Devra Mohana, class 11D.
I'm Kamalishri from grade 11A. So as we all know, financial literacy is a very important skill as it teaches a person to be accountable of their money and reach their goal. So today and yesterday we had a session on financial literacy and how it can be helpful. I especially liked the part where it was very interactive and we learned multiple skills and case study scenarios, and we also did multiple activities.
Financial literacy is a big problem for everyone. Here at this session, we learned how to overcome debt, how to avoid the pitfalls of credit card debts.
Our guest speaker, Miss Pooja, made it very interesting and interactive because she added more real life scenarios and experiences.
I would recommend this type of sessions to everyone as it is a very important skill and it helps everyone in their future and how to handle their money.
This course is highly recommended for all the younger generations to the older generations. I have learned a lot of lessons from this, as how to save money, handling credit cards, and how not to fall in debt traps.
It's a great life skill to learn and it would be profitable for them in the near future.
I would recommend this to people of my age, above and below, so that they can learn about financial literacy and move on with their college life ahead with peace and without no struggle.
I would like to thank Emirates NBD Bank and KFI Global for organizing this wonderful session, and especially my school for hosting this program.
The past 2 days has been a happening day at ASPAM school with the senior students. KFI Global partnered with Emirates NDB, and they have been doing a beautiful program for our children, the financial literacy. Financial skills are very important in today's world for children to know how to be money wise, how to do their budgeting and do their investing. And I must appreciate KFI Global for coming up with such a beautiful program. And I would recommend them for all schools because it is very essential in today's world where every child has financial skills. Developing a thrill of learning towards finance and a will to participate and involve and developing their skill on finances is very essential, and that would build a better society, a better country and a better world for every individual. And I recommend strongly KFI Global to all schools.